ticker symbol DRYS at $1.34 for all you guys that have been following this. Back again over here in the videos, you guys can find where we call these. DRYS is a really tough one to call, but we've actually been pretty dead on here with the calls here with DRYS. And I've got a lot of response from this one because of the fact that it's so hard to call. Over here on the last time that we took a look at this one, right there with that red line, that was going to be the 17th, March 17th, $1.67 watch. $1.66 is a must hold, support at $1.66 and $1.21. Resistance at 202, 282, chart setting up question mark. Well, guess what, guys? Start getting between that wedge that I told you to watch for, and it broke that. It broke that the day after. You guys had that gap, went ahead and pulled down, filled that, and I didn't want to see that $1.66 break. Unfortunately, it did, bringing you guys down to the $1.25. Okay, and I said $1.66 must hold for this to set up, and it didn't happen. You guys came back down here flirting around with the $1.25. I'm going to say it again. $1.25 breaks. Adios. This thing's going to just drop like a rock, in my personal opinion, off of all the past that we've looked at this one. This buying is going to need to get up. You guys are going to have a heavy resistance now at the $1.70. A break of a $1.70 would probably be the best thing that DRYS have seen since DRYS. It's going to be a long time. So you guys are really becoming into a pivotal point with this stock right now, guys. DRYS right now, very pivotal. That's what we're going to be watching for. $1.25 to hold. Watch for that buying to pick you up. And this thing needs to break $1.73 right now. More than ever.
All right, so they had a press release on March 17th, which I didn't go over with you on that day, obviously. So it was DryShips announces successful completion of the 200 million common stock offering. So they're also out of Greece, Athens. DryShips Incorporated, a diversified owner of ocean-going cargo vessels, announced on March 17th that it has successfully completed the previously announced 200 million common stock offering, in which the company raised net proceeds of 198 million, pursuant to the prospectus supplement filed on February 17, 2017. Following the completion of the offering, the company has approximately 55,576 common shares outstanding. Mr. George Economo, Chairman and CEO, commented, "We are very pleased to have successfully raised an additional 198 million of equity, which will increase our total available liquidity to about 455 million. We continue to look at opportunities to diversify and grow our fleet with high quality tonnage and significant operating leverage." So I went over to this right here because they also had a what day was this on? It is an F3 on March 20th, so I figured I'd go and look at that really quick. And they give you a better idea of different things within this whole thing, actually. So you should probably go and check that out. But they show that right now, as of today, how many fleets is it? All right, so their company, it basically states, "We are a Marshall Islands Corporation with our principal executive offices in Athens, Greece. We are incorporated in September 2004. We are a diversified owner of ocean-going cargo vessels. Our common stock is listed on NASDAQ under DRYS. As of March 20th, we owned a fleet of 13 Panamax dry bulk carriers, which have a combined deadweight tonnage of approximately 1 million. And an average age of approximately 13.6 years, one of VLCC and one Aframax tanker new building, each of which are expected to be delivered in the second quarter of 2017, two VLGC new building, which are expected to be delivered in the second quarter of 2017, respectively, and 6 offshore supply vessels comprising 2 platform supply and 4 oil spill recovery vessels, with an average age of approximately 4 years. So these they have their list of ships. So I guess they have 13 ships now. And I mean, there's a lot of different things in there, obviously, to look at too. With these ones right here, it's just difficult. Well, it's easy to know because I mean when they have 13 ships and a lot of these things are like booked for years and years in advance and everything else, so you can get an idea of what their financials will be, I guess you could say. All right, so if you have an opinion on the company, just go right over to the DRYS board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that DryShips board on Investors Hangout.
All right, over here again with the chart, $1.34 watch, $1.25 is a must hold here now, guys. It's a must hold. Resistance at $1.73. Break will pop this in my opinion, and a break. All right, I'm just going to leave that just like that. Like I said, $1.25 is going to be a must hold, guys. If that breaks, this is going to continue to fall. You guys are starting to wind up here. So we're going to keep an eye on it. It could be setting up, but again, we're going to watch how this one plays out. If you guys break that $1.73, I'm telling you, $2.51 will come quick in my personal opinion. DRYS, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock that you're following, head over to investorshangout.com/live.